Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar. I welcome you all to Finance MCQ channel, a channel where we are presenting you all the latest job updates of government jobs in finance domain. So let's begin and discuss all the jobs pertaining to this week. So the first vacancy is from UPSC for conducting Indian Economic Services Examination 2020 for recruitment under Indian Economic Service Cadre. They have asked educational qualification of post-graduation in economics or applied economics or business economics or econometrics. So there are 15 vacancies. The upper age limit is 15. It's a permanent post. The package would be around 10.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 1st September 2020. Moving on friends, the next vacancy is from Kaveri Water Management Authority, which is under Ministry of Jal Shakti and Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. So there are total 10 posts for upper divisional clerk and lower divisional clerk. Friends, this is a post of deputation, so those who are already working in government service are eligible for these posts. The upper age limit is 56 years and the package for UDC would be around 5 lakhs gross and for LDC it would be 4 lakhs gross. It is an offline mode of application and documents have to reach Kaveri Water Management Authority latest by 14th October 2020. A disclaimer here friends, even though the package amount is calculated by our experts who are already in government job, but package may differ in terms of the actual job location, entry pay and the final offer letter given for that post. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of accounts officer. The upper age limit is 56 years and it's a deputation post friends again for those who are already working in government service. The package would be around 11 lakhs. It is an offline mode of application to be done latest by 14th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Institute of Hotel Management, Catering, Technology and Applied Nutrition, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, for recruitment of 1 post of Administrative cum Accounts Officer. They have asked educational qualification of BCom or BBA with 50%. The upper age limit is 50 years. Friends, the nature of employment here would be either deputation or direct recruitment or short-term contracts depending upon the applicant. So the experience they have asked is 8 years in grade pay of 4200. The package would be around 11 lakhs gross and it is an offline mode of application to be done latest by 30th August 2020. The next vacancy is from National Book Trust India, which is under Ministry of Human Resources Development, Government of India, for the recruitment of 1 vacancy for post of Joint Director Admin and Finance. They have asked a bachelor's degree only. The upper age limit is 56. Again a deputation post friends for those government officers who are already holding analogous post or having 5 years experience in level 11. The package would be around 15 lakhs. This is again offline mode of application to be done latest by 5th September 2020. To be done latest by 20th August 2020. Again from the same organization friends, for the recruitment of 1 post for Manager Economy and Strategy, they have asked a graduation degree in economics. The upper age limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post, but you have to have 2 years in banks or financial institutions experience. The package is 10 lakh. Again the same deadline for applying to this post. Next, again from National Housing Bank for recruitment of Manager MIS, they have asked educational qualification as a graduate degree in statistics. The upper age limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post friends and you have to have experience of 2 years in banks or financial institutions. The package and mode of application last date is also same. A gentle reminder friends, for those who are applying for SEBI grade A exam, please visit our website financemcq.in, where we are presenting the entire technical syllabus in MCQ format in the form of 2000 plus subject wise or topic wise questions. We have added explanations for correct answer wherever required. And not only this friends, we are also presenting 25 national level test series for more and more practice. So please visit the website financemcq.in, take a demo and decide yourself. I am sure you will love it. So the next vacancy is from Central Administrative Tribunal. So friends, those who are already central government employees, I think they would be aware of CAT. CAT basically adjudicates disputes and complaints with respect to recruitment and conditions of service of government employees. So the name of the post is Accounts Officer. There are 7 vacancies. Again, all are on deputation. The upper age limit is 56 years. The experience they have asked is 5 years experience in grade pay of 4200 rupees. The package would be around 8.5 lakhs. It's an again offline mode of application. The documents should reach CAT latest by 28 September 2020. Then again from Central Administrative Tribunal for recruitment of 3 posts of junior accounts officer. The upper age limit is 56 years. Experience would be 10 years as upper divisional clerk. The package would be around 6.8 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and the documents has to reach Central Administrative Tribunal latest by 28th September 2020. Next, again from the same organization for the recruitment of senior accountant, age limit, nature of employment, all are same except the experience they are asking is 5 years as junior accountant and the package would be around 5.7 lakh gross. Next vacancy is from Indian Bank for the recruitment of Chief Strategy Officer. The educational qualification asked is CA, CFA or MBA in Finance. Friends, it's a contractual post. The age limit is 55 years and you have to have 10 years of experience in the related field, and the package they have said it would be as per market standards. It is an offline mode of application and you have to apply to Indian Bank latest by 26th August 2020. The next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs for the recruitment of Chief Finance Officer. They have asked CA or CMA, again a deputation post for those holding analogous post or 5 years experience in level 12 or 8-year experience in level 11. So the package would be around 22 lakhs and it's an offline mode of application to be done latest by 10th September 2020. So friends, thank you very much for watching. See you all next week with all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain. Thank you and take care.